a rock. It is indeed water, but you can't tell whether it's a river or the sea, correct? But I can tell you because I know the story, that's a lake. That's a lake. Now what's in the sky? Do they look friendly?
No, they're vultures.
Now if they were vultures, would they be attacking a man? If they were ordinary vultures, would they attack a live man? No. Vultures eat dead meat. They're very useful, no? So these were very special. Look at those beaks. And so these killer birds, the birds are Stymphilos. They were killing people. Their beaks were made of metal. Their feathers were made of metal. Their beaks were so strong they could pierce metal armor. And so the sixth labor of Hercules was to kill the birds of Stymphilos. And he could not have done it if Athena, goddess of war, had not helped him. She gave him a pair of brass clappers. You know what castanets are? Spanish dancing? You know the clack, 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 clack sound? That's made of wood. But these clappers, they were made of metal. And when Hercules took them from Athena, he went to the side of the lake and he clashed them together. And a mighty noise was made. What do you think the birds did?